Hello students. So today we are going to start with the topic of preposition, children. Preposition means what? That you are going to look forward. Before starting this topic, one important universal rule of this topic I am going to discuss. Okay. So let's start. The very first thing, children, how many types of prepositions do we have at present in our syllabus? How many types we have, that we will first see. Now till today, whichever topic you learned, whether it is bestimmt article, unbestimmt article, negative article, possessive article, personal pronomen, whichever topics you did, you all saw that in bestimmt article, you know the concept of nominative, accusative and dative. In unbestimmt also we saw concept of nominative, accusative and also dative. In negative also nominative, accusative and dative. In possessive also we saw charts. Chart of nominative, chart of accusative, chart of dative, that we saw in possessive article. And in personal pronouns we saw columns, if you remember. 3 columns we saw. Which were those 3 columns? Nominative column, accusative column and dative column. Means what I want to tell you from this prior knowledge, that whichever topic we did till the date, they all had 3 cases. Nominative, accusative and dative. These are called cases. These 3 cases were there in every topic. But in preposition topic, children, there are these 3 cases will not be there exactly in the same manner. What will be there, I'll tell you. Of course, we are having accusative preposition. We also have, children, dative preposition. But nominative preposition, such concept is not there in German language. Okay. So in preposition topic, children, in preposition topic, at present we have 3 concepts. This one is accusative preposition. We are going to see that too. And then we have a dative preposition also. This third one is called in German Wechsel preposition, children. Wechsel preposition. The pronunciation of Wechsel is like your English word. I am just talking about pronunciation. Wechsel. This way you need to pronounce it. Wechsel preposition, children, in English we call them interchanging. Interchanging preposition. Why so? You will come to know when you see these 2 topics first. So at present we are not going to concentrate today on this topic. We are only concentrating today on accusative preposition and dative preposition. And Wechsel preposition, this type we will see in the process. So at present you should know that we have 3 types of preposition in our syllabus. First one is accusative preposition, second is dative and one is Wechsel preposition. Now from that we are seeing today the first 2 types. We will see accusative preposition, children, and we are also going to see dative preposition. Now what is the meaning of preposition? Like whichever topic we saw, children, we always went through the depth of that particular meaning of the topic, like nomen, personal pronomen, then perfect form, then we saw possessive article, bestimmt. Every time we saw the meaning also. In the same manner, preposition means what? Preposition means relation, children. Relation between 2 nouns. Here one noun is there and here one noun is there. So what is the relation between these 2 nouns is called preposition, children. How? Now for example, okay, I will take few prepositions which we know in English. Very often we use it. That only I am taking for example of preposition first. So for example, bag and books, or refrigerator and bottle, or clothes and cupboard. So normally books are where, children? In the bag. Books are in the bag. Bottles are where? In the refrigerator. Then clothes are where? In the cupboard. One more I can give you example. Pillow and bed, or mobile and table. So normally what is the relation between this noun and this noun? Pillows are on the bed. Mobile is on the table. If I say frame, the photo frame, and wall. So what is the relation between frame and wall? The frame is on the wall, we say. Okay. Now in this manner, what we did exactly, we just saw the relation between two nouns over here. So preposition means relation between two nouns. Now this is the main meaning of that particular topic, preposition. Now coming back to the cases, there are accusative preposition, children, and there are dative preposition. There are two types of preposition which we are going to concentrate on now. The universal rule in this is what? First of all, in this, normally in this type of questions, we have two blanks. Okay, in this type of questions, we have two blanks. In the first blank, children, always a preposition comes. In the second blank, article comes. Yeah, if you don't know the article topic, please visit the article topics all. Bestimmt, unbestimmt, negative, possessive first, and then only come to this topic. Sequence is very important. So always there will be two blanks nearby to each other. So in the first blank there will be preposition. In the second blank there will be an article. Okay. So this will be the sequence. Preposition and article. Now when you are writing a particular preposition over here, now let's talk about accusative preposition. The content, what comes in accusative preposition, there are 8 to 9 words, 8 to 9 prepositions which come under accusative, children. And in dative also there are few only, 8 to 9 prepositions which comes under dative preposition. This we will see in the process, children. At present we have to concentrate what happens with this preposition. So this just an example, that if you decide to put here accusative preposition, if you decide, the meaning and all we are going to see further, so don't worry, we are just seeing the rule first. So if you decide to put here accusative preposition, of course here you are putting article. So here the article will be in accusative case only. Whichever article you put, are you putting derdi dasdi, you have to put it in accusative form. If you are putting unbestimmt article, that you have to put in accusative form. If you are putting possessive article, that you have to put in accusative form. If you are putting negative article, that you have to put in accusative form. Why? Because nearby to this article, the accusative prepositions we are putting. And these accusative preposition, children, are very loyal to accusative case. Okay, so you have to blindly trust the accusative prepositions. You have to trust blindly the accusative prepositions. There are two blanks. In the first blank, if you put accusative preposition, then in the next blank, whichever article will come will be in accusative form. Okay, and of course the article belongs to the noun. So is noun ka gender and all, of course you have to see that also. So I told you, see the topic of article first and come, so that you will understand this concept. Okay. So we just now saw about accusative preposition, universal rule we saw. These accusative prepositions are very loyal to accusative case. So whenever this comes in the first blank, the next article will always, exactly nearby, the article will always be in accusative form. Now what about dative preposition? The rule is similar to the accusative one. There are two blanks. If you decide to put here dative preposition, children, if you decide, then the article over here will be in dative form. Because dative prepositions are loyal to dative articles. this way. So this is the universal rule, and then one by one you can see what are the prepositions in accusative, which are the prepositions in dative, and accordingly you can put them in the first blank. Once you have done the first blank depends on the meaning of the sentence, that whether you are putting accusative content or dative through the meanings of that. And once you have put the dative or accusative preposition, the second blank you have to trust blindly on these prepositions. If accusative preposition is here, you have to write accusative article. If dative preposition is there, you have to write dative article. That's it. This is what it is. Now let's see what comes in accusative preposition and dative preposition. Which are these preposition, 8 or 9 those are, or here whichever those are. Let's see the meaning of these so that we can put it in the blank given.